Today I'll show you how to make a floating animation in CapCut. Let's get started. First, place a background on the main layer in the timeline. Now drag your objects onto the timeline above the main layer. Resize the image to the size you want. Select the image and go to the Animation tab. Apply the slide-up animation effect to the object you want to make float. Go to the Effects tab and navigate to the Nightclub section. Drag and drop the pendulum effect onto the object. Adjust the pendulum effect settings to your desired floating motion. This includes adjusting the twist, strength, sharpening, and speed by dragging the slider left or right. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.